You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A wonderful word, this one. So confusing, so beautiful. But yeah, I love it. This is a word from science. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from biology, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So there are different ways of pronouncing it, and it's only going to be the last syllable that's going to change. So let's break it down. Probably the most common pronunciation. Zooxanthellae. Zooxanthellae. Now, that's American English. It's also sometimes pronounced as Zooxanthellae, Zooxanthellae, and that would be the plural generally. Can also be pronounced as Zooxanthellae, Zooxanthellae. So singular Zooxanthellae or Zooxanthella. The plural Zooxanthellae. It's confusing, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.